Internet, I'm Scott, and this is PlugHitsLive Unboxed. Today, we are going to take a look at the Mosqitter Mini, a product that we have been very excited about for a long time. If you followed our CES coverage, you know we've been asking for this product since they introduced the original large format one a number of years ago. And here it is, we finally get to take a look at it. So let's see what comes in the box. While we open this up, for those who don't know, this is a natural, I think pheromone-based product that is designed to help eliminate mosquitoes. You guys all probably know that we are here in Florida. We have a lot of mosquito problems, and this year has been exceptionally bad for us. So really excited to have this product in action. Right. This just started shipping to the US, so we're very excited to have it in our possession. First things first, we have our general usage guide here, right? Refill regularly for best performance, best placement, how to turn it on, things like that. So your standard getting started manual. Top packaging. Things in plastic and our bottom packaging, so we'll get rid of that. So let's start with this guy here. We have a little box here, logo on one side. This is a carabiner, a trapping net, a cleaning brush, and a disposable bag. So these are support items for the product. The carabiner is designed to help you hang it from a tree or a hook or something like that. Nice to have that included. It's metal, not plastic, so it's actually pretty strong. I wouldn't go climbing with it, but it's going to be great for this product here. We've got ourselves a cleaning brush. My guess is the angle is intended to be able to get through the slats here, which we'll get a better look at in a moment. Here we have a bag and a net. This goes inside the device. We'll get to that in a little bit. And then here we have the real manual, as opposed to the getting started guide. The real manual here has several languages, it appears. Maybe just two, because it looks like it splits from English in the middle, with lots and lots of information in here, with product overview, how best it can do coverage, modes, placement, specifications, installation and startup, how to put the bag in. So, a good comprehensive manual, but now we're going to take a look at this guy itself. All right, so initial thoughts are it has a flat bottom. It has spaces for feet, for rubber feet, but does not have them. It might, theoretically, it's okay to be used like this, but it does appear that it wants to be hung by the semi-bungee cord coming off the top. On the back, we have our power, and that's the entirety of what we have here in our possession. So, jumping into the manual, I'll start by saying it's surprisingly heavy, heavier than I was expecting it to be. Okay, here in the manual they have it sitting on a table, so that's a good sign. It's a little heavier than I expected it to be, but it is a serious piece of equipment, right? So for it to be heavy is not surprising. So there is switch on the back here for locking and unlocking. I have not quite figured out. Okay, so you twist it. Once it's unlocked, you twist it, and this comes off. Here you can see the bag, of which we have an extra here, attached. They clip in here along the edge. There's a series of these clips, and that keeps the lip holding this in place. So I suppose what it will do is it will sit in here. You can actually lock it again. You can actually see the bag hanging down in there. So that is where it will capture and hold the mosquitoes as they come in. You can see, if you look up at the top of the device, there's a light, which is part of the attractor. On the top, there is a lock and unlock so that you can perform maintenance on this part of the device as well. On the top, we're going to lock that back in place. On the top, we have two buttons. One is a full power button. So long press on the top here, probably to turn it on and to turn it off. The other one is to let it know whether you are indoor or outdoor. There's a picture of a house and a picture of a tree. So you can set it for indoor or outdoor use. And that, my friends, is the device. I am very excited to see how this trap works. Again, here in Florida, always have mosquito problems, this year in particular. So very excited to see how this thing works. You just saw, we just opened it. We have not tested it yet. So we will be performing a full review on the product. That'll be available at PlugHitsLive.com/reviews. We'll put the link here in the description when we're done. If you want to see other unboxings of other products from past CES shows, future CES shows, and a lot of other products, you can always go to unboxed.live, or you can go to our YouTube channel at PlugHitsLive, and we've got how-tos on a number of devices as well. All of that can be found on the website or on the YouTube channel. And with that, until next time, ciao.